She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And how I wanna build my whole world with you and my never. And how I will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Come on, take it when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of barrels. Say that I should give you up, 'cause I want better, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no, oh yeah, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again.
Alright, so congratulations, you just finished this crazy leg workout. And I know your legs are burning, so we're going to do some slow and controlled stretches. You want to do this almost immediately after your workout, okay? So make sure you get your feet about double shoulder width apart. We're going to windmill it over to the next leg. Alright, this is going to take around 15 seconds, so hold each position for 15 seconds, okay? This is going to feel really good. You're going to be out of breath, but get it done. Do not skip this step because you don't want your legs to tighten up. You don't want to get any cramps or anything like that. Okay, so now we're doing a quad stretch. If you can have something to balance on, definitely do that. My legs are a little done right now, so that's why I'm bouncing around. You want to do this workout, by the way, 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, that'll be a good remedy for this particular exercise if you want to see some really good results. So, with that being said, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your push notifications. Make sure you smash the like button if this video brought you value. Follow me on Instagram at nathen.mixon. I put daily videos out there too as well. And don't forget, I have merch in the description. So you want to get some merch, you want to dress up, you know, catch me on a flip. Peace.